Good evening. The thoughts and ideas I'll share with you this evening do not reflect those of the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center or the Department of Defense. There you are. A friendly definition for artificial intelligence characterizes AI as a system's ability to correctly interpret external data, to learn from such data, and to use those learnings to achieve specific goals and tasks through flexible adaptation. The use of artificial intelligence in the U.S. has resulted in cutting-edge, transformative technologies that are improving lives, growing innovative industries, empowering workers, and increasing national security. In 2019, Executive Order 13859 announced the American Artificial Intelligence Initiative, a concerted effort to promote and protect national AI technology innovation. This initiative is critical to accelerating America's leadership in artificial intelligence. In the private sector, artificial intelligence has made significant advancement due to technological innovations and the availability of good quality data sets, useful for solving some of the industry's most difficult problems. In the public sector, however, there are two critical barriers for AI innovation. Data sharing and data standards are essential to accelerating the adoption of artificial intelligence in the federal government. The federal government collects, creates, and maintains vast amounts of data. Data is accumulated from a number of sectors, such as energy, health, climate, agriculture, transportation, immigration, and education, many areas that you all work in today. Many federal agencies face similar data challenges, data sharing standard challenges, despite their individual functions. Thousands of federal workers spend their days seeking out optimal solutions to these problems. Data collected and managed across the federal government have many forms and types, such as transportation, geographical, cultural. Each type is often representative of the sector and form which it is collected or used. Various agencies often possess different legal and legislative authorities and require separation of duties. They work in agency silos. In fact, within these very agencies, there are data silos because of the lack of data sharing within. There are over approximately 400 agencies and departments in the U.S. federal government. In 2015, just one of those departments managed 6 petabytes, 6 million gigabytes of data. Transitioning large amounts of data over time to newer systems and newer formats will take time. Many agency systems are not created with the intention of data analytics and machine learning. Oh, I'm sorry. And is now being reused for innovation. So I got that a little mixed up. So let's move on. The government has the responsibility of maintaining the security of the data that it's managing. Personally identifiable information, PII, and other sensitive information must be protected in order to prevent misuse of the public's data. Modernization costs, standardizing all pre-existing data to one language would be labor-intensive, taxing, and costly. In addition, infrastructure must be in place to even make these updates. And in light of the focus on the acceleration of the adoption of AI innovation across the federal government, information technology experts to legislative aides seek to identify meaningful and effective solutions to the federal data sharing and data standards problem. Investing in a federated cloud infrastructure provides a number of valuable features to supporting data sharing. A cloud infrastructure provides a more secure environment for storing, accessing, processing, and sharing data. Building on a cloud infrastructure, data sources would be aggregated in the cloud. They would be easier to access. Cloud computing opportunities would allow for more rapid innovation on more diverse data sets. Data standards will be required to ensure data is shared and exchanged properly. Standards will vary amongst sectors and agencies. The use of knowledge transfers like ontologies will provide information for data users typically only possessed by the data owner. Clear and encompassing agreements must be established in order to define the rules for ethical and legal use of legal data use. AI and residual AI data output need to be agreed upon ahead of time by the data owners. Any number of these solutions in combination would provide a comprehensive solution to data sharing and data standard challenges in the federal space. In doing so, we can further unleash and accelerate the power of AI in the United States. Thank you.